Okay, let's look at standard deviation. This time let's look at the shortcut method of finding out standard deviation for an individual series. Now the formula goes like this: sigma equals to square root of summation d square upon n minus summation d upon n whole square. Okay, now this d is what? This d is essentially your this d is essentially your deviation from an assumed mean. This is what? Assumed mean chosen from among the x values. Now in case a equals 0, that would imply that sigma equals to summation x square upon n minus summation x upon n whole square. Okay, or you can say this is what? This is your x bar whole square, that is the mean, right? So let's look at an example for this. In case say we have if say there are certain number of students and they get some pocket money, okay, let's x denotes their pocket money in terms of the money that they get. 110, 114, somebody gets 115, another person gets 115, then 116, 118, 119, 120, 123 and 130. So 130 is the highest here. Now let's look at D. Let's assume our mean to be 120. If we assume mean to be 120 unit of money, so minus 10, minus 6, minus 5, minus 5, minus 4, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 3 and 10. Okay, so now what is d square? We need to have summation d square as well. So that would be 100, 36, 25, 25, 16, 4, 1, 0, 9, 100. Okay, so now see what our sigma or standard deviation would be. Essentially it would be, what is this? The total for this is 316. The total for this is minus 20. So it would essentially be, and n is 10, as you can see, 316 upon 10 minus 20 minus 20 upon 10 whole square, which is essentially 31.6 minus 4. This would give us something like 27.6, which essentially is around about 5.25. Okay, so now what would be coefficient of variation? Coefficient of variation will be sigma upon x bar, the mean, into 100. Now what is mean? Mean is essentially, you can find it out, it is 120, which is your assumed mean, plus the summation of deviation upon 10. So it is essentially 118. So our coefficient of variation would be essentially 5 to 5.4 upon 118, which actually rounds about as 4.45%.